You want this?
気に入らないやつ撃ち殺したことがあるか思っていたより気持ちがいいぞ式神領域展開中学獅子
Okay, I know you liked the edit. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, hit that follow button, and share it with a friend. Okay, let's start. In this video, we are going to unlock CapCut's secret 3D text effect in just 3 taps. First, tap Import your video. After that, go and add your text. Type whatever you want. I chose to write 3D text. Customize the text if necessary. Second tap, transform a text into a clip. There are 2 ways to turn text into a video. Either press Alt+G or right-click the text and select Create Compound Clip. If you are on mobile, you need to type the text over the background. Download it, import it, and remove the background. After that, go to the search bar and look for Player 3. Third tap, customize the text. You need to set the speed and texture to 0. I'm done customizing the text. Now this is the result. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. See you next time.